Hello everyone, welcome back to another market analysis video. In this video I'm going to share a few stocks that you can trade on Monday. So let's get started. First is RBL Bank. This is the 15 minutes chart of RBL Bank, and as you can see the stock has given a breakout on 200 EM and then has come back for a retest, and we can also see that there is a level over here, right? So what we can do is as you can see, this is also a V-shaped recovery, okay, and V-shaped recoveries are usually considered to be as very strong. So what we can do is we can plan for a long trade here, okay. Once the stock gives a bullish sign again and sustains above this horizontal level, a long entry can be taken, and I'll just check for the target level. Okay, as you can see this is a price action level, okay, and this is 1.5%, which is very good for intraday. And RBL Bank usually gives big moves, so this can be considered as the first target, and if you can hold it further you can just consider this level as the final target, okay. So once the stock hits this target, what you can do is you can simply bring your stop loss to break even, and you can simply start trailing your stop losses, okay, so that you don't end up in losses. It's very important to trail your stop losses while you're holding any position, okay. Moving on to the next one, we have Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, as you can see, has given a head and shoulder pattern. Can you see? This can be considered as the first shoulder, this the head, and this level as the second shoulder, okay. And what I'll do is I'll just draw a level over here, okay. This is the, okay, what we can do is I'll just zoom out and check. Okay, one more level over here, right? As you can see, this is a crucial support level also, and we have 200 EMA also on 15 minutes time frame. So what we can do is we can consider a long trade here once the stock breaks this horizontal level and sustains above 200 EMA. By sustain I mean when the candle closes, you can say that the stock has sustained over this level, okay. So once the stock sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and this looks like a level. I'll just check how big this is. This is 2%. 2% is usually very big target for intraday, but again Bandhan Bank gives big moves. So what you can do is you can just consider a pivot as your first target, okay, and 1% target is also more than enough for intraday. So if your stock hits 1%, you can also exit the position, okay. This is it for Bandhan Bank. Moving on to the next one, we have NTPC. Okay, NTPC, as you can see, very good. As you can see, it is on a trend line, right? Also, if I zoom in, can you see double tops? Just a second. The first top and the second top, right? So what we can do is we can plan for a short trade here. Okay, this is a level. So once the stock breaks this level, a short entry can be taken, and I'll just check for the target. This, yes, this is a price action level. This can be your first target, and for second target you can consider this as the second target, okay. This is also the level. We don't need 200 EM over here, we can just close it. So this is it for NTPC, guys. Planning for a short trade. As you can see, we have double tops over here. It is also respecting a trend line, so once it breaks the trend line and sustains below this level, a short entry can be taken, and this can be considered as the first target and this as the second target, okay. Moving on to the next one, we have IOC. Okay, IOC also is on a neckline, right? IOC is also in a neckline. So once the stock will plan for a short trade here again. So once the stock sustains below this level and closes below 200 EM, a short entry can be taken. I'll just check for the target. This looks like a level, okay. 1%, very good. Again we have a 1% target over here, okay. This level can be considered as the first target, and you can just consider this as the second target. Even 1%, even the first target is enough, just in case you want to hold it further and you can see strong moves, then you can hold it till here. This can be the final target. This is for a short trade on 15 minutes time frame for IOC. Again, I'll tell you, if the stock breaks down this level and closes below 200 EMA, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this as the first target and this as the second target. Moving on to the next one, we have JSW Steel. JSW Steel, again, as you can see, it is inside the consolidation range, right? It is inside the box. So again, both side potential. If it breaks out from top, you can just consider pivot as your target. 1% target is enough for intraday. Okay, and for short, I'll just check for levels. 1.5%. Perfect. This can be considered as the first target. This you can consider as the second target, okay, for short side. So these are the levels. Okay, this is the final level, but this is a very big target. Okay, this third one is a very big target. So till here is okay. Even this one is okay. 1% target is enough for intraday. Okay, so this is again for JSW Steel. It's consolidation, it's consolidating, it's in a box. So box breakouts always give big moves. So if it breaks out from top, what you can do is you can just consider one or two pivot as your target. Like I always say, 1% target is more than enough for intraday, and for short I have marked the levels for the target. Okay, moving on to the next one, Sun Pharma. Again, see, the levels are already marked. It's inside the consolidation box. Like I said, again, consolidations breakouts are very strong. So if it breaks out from top, you can consider this level as your first target and this as the final target. Just in case it falls down and breaks down here, you can consider this as your short target. Okay, moving on to the last one, we have Prestige. Again, Prestige also, you can see it has been consolidating here, right? So what I'll do is I'll just mark this level. If the stock breaks out from here, a long entry can be taken. I'll just check how big this is till this resistance level. It's 1.2%, which is okay, right? So you can consider this as your first target. Okay, and for second target, you can consider this. Okay, and for short side, just in case it breaks down this level, you can just consider this one as your short target. Just in case it's too big, I'll just give you one more level here. Okay, this can be your first short target and this can be your final short target. So this is it for the video, guys. A very quick video. I have shared 7 stocks: RBL Bank, Bandhan Bank, NTPC, IOC, JSW Steel, Sun Pharma, Prestige. All of these are very simple analysis and it's very easy for everyone to understand. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.